Hello, Scrappy Peeps. Susanna here today for What's New, my series I do with my friend Sarah Scraps. And today we are unboxing our latest goodies in our scrap room. So this is my latest haul from A Cherry on Top. And so let's dive in. I will clear the mess so that you can see better. And then we will just go through each of the things. So a lot of Christmas in July here, really. But let's start with non-Christmas. I got 3 new die sets. So this is, or these are cherries, cherry cherries from Lawn Fawn. So you can have single cherries, double cherries, the stems and the leaves. So we went cherry picking and I designed for a cherry on top. And so cherries, yes, must have cherries. Cherries are hard to find, by the way. And then from Spellbinders, so this is the new one, the sealed blooming stems. So I'm not sure if you saw recently, but I've been playing with the wax seals. And these are fun to use with the wax seals. So this is the new one for this summer. So some flowers and some leaves. And then this is from the original part of the series, the sealed series. But I really love the squiggle and the leaves. So I just bought that as complement to these. I have other dies from previous releases, the Christmas ones mostly. And so but I didn't have that. And I thought that would go nicely with this. So that is, those are the new dies. Then also not Christmas. I got some of this solar paste, Beluga. I am not a mixed media person, so you know that. I'm looking forward to trying something different. So it's a creamy white paste with a metallic color shift when it hits the light. So subtle on white cardstock, but reveals an intense color shine when applied to black cardstock. So I'm not a black cardstock user either, but I thought this would be fun for some water effect, as well as some, I don't know, maybe Christmas. So I did get the blue, so you can see that shine in there, but I thought it was more subtle, which is kind of more up my alley to get that. All right, also not Christmas. Let's see. So I got some, I'm pulling it over, sorry. Right now there's a lot of travel collections, and I have a lot of travel, and I'm kind of traveled out. So I did get one travel, and I only got pattern paper for these. So let's start with the travel. This is Photoplay. This is the Travelog collection, but I was drawn to this because of the Arizona, and then there's Utah in there somewhere, where we've been to recently. There are some international places, Japan, Germany, London, Paris. So I thought I really liked those little, Iceland, I really liked those little rectangles of posters. And so I thought something with that would be fun. And then of course the B-sides. So map, it says Berlin there, not sure what the rest of it is, but yeah, with the stamps, and the diagonal stripes with the cancellations, passport cancellations, and of course the tags, and kind of arrows and triangles. And then the map, of course, had to have that. I really liked the B-sides. Yeah, not that. This is all about the B-side. This is all about the tags. I liked both sides of that, and this. So no embellishments, because I have tons of travel embellishments, but I also was thinking that this might go well in Mia's book with the Vicky Bouton that I shared last month and the month before that. So also for not travel, I have from this trail mix from Simple Stories. I was really drawn to this hat. I thought that I could fussy cut that, and that would be fun, as well as this. So these were really to create my own elements. And then a little bit of plaid if I had some left over. Of course, you know me, I had to have the journal cards. I really liked that, and I thought maybe doing trees behind it would be really fun. And I liked that. And the plaid, and then of course the wood grain. I have plenty of wood grain from Simple Stories, so I was thinking more of using this with this and these, as well as some fussy cut elements. So nothing in particular, probably Arizona, but who knows. So that is all of the not Christmas in July. Now we move to Christmas. So Vicki Bouton's collection is mostly in the store. So we will start with Vicki's goodies. I always love Vicki's stuff, never mind particularly her Christmas stuff. So we have the houses, of course, and the trees, and Susanna's going to fussy cut houses. And then the B-side. I love the blue in the green of that. So you can see it started with this, right? And then she poured the blue over, which gave it a fun hint. And then I was thinking that this on top of that might be fun. It's kind of where I was going with that when I chose that. The tags, of course, you know me, and then the tags. And the cool thing about this is, look, now you have square tags, but if you wanted, you could cut the line from here to get the angled tags there too. Check out these crackers. All right, some pink snowflakes and the stripes. I should have bought 2 of that. Can always go back, right? And the wreath. So last year, I think it was last year, I did the wreath, cut it out, and then did, I remember putting bells. I think that was last year. And then the stars, yeah, should have probably gotten 2 of that as well. This was clearly to be fussy cut, and the stripes. And then I love the plaid. I love how they're more organic, Vicki's stuff. Love that. And then these, yeah, I should have gotten 2 of those as well. Oh well, but I did get the paper pad. And so the paper pad has all of those papers. So really I do have another one of that. And I have those smaller. So I'll just quickly, oh, and the tags. Flip through the paper pad. And what I like about the paper pad is this is kind of more matte, whereas these are more shiny. So you see the different quality, especially in, you can see the shine there, whereas these, you see how they're more matte. Yeah, so I like that. Isn't that fun? Could cut out a bunch of stars from all of these papers, or even these smaller patterns, and recreate that would be fun. So yay for Christmas, Christmas in July. So then for embellishments, I again, I'm trying to be selective with embellishments because I just have so many. I like these because, whoops, that's sugar plum. I lied. So I got these because, again, I can put them around that wreath, and they're not necessarily things. They are things, but they're useful things because they're generic things. They're stars, hearts, and I also liked that there was acetate, as well as cardstock and vellum. So there's a nice mix of goodies there. And the washi, I don't always buy the washi for all collections, but I really liked these deers. And look at those little mice. Can you see through the glare of this? I'm not sure that you can, but there's little mice in the poinsettias. So I thought that was cute, and then I liked these numbers. So I figured this would go well in my memory planner as well as for layouts. And then I really enjoyed these clips from the travel collection, so I got these to go with this collection. So that is Vicki's stuff, and this is the Peppermint Kisses collection. I did get some of Paige Evans' stuff, which I started to show you accidentally. Her patterned papers, her 12 by 12 papers, were not available. I think there's only one available. They're still waiting on the pre-order of those. That's classic American crafts for you. So I did get the paper pad. Check out those gingerbreads. Aren't they awesome? Houses. And I have so much Christmas that I really don't need the 12 by 12 papers. And I imagine that they'll probably come. I really love the pink that's thrown into that, along with the aqua. I imagine that that will probably come in a scrap room kit too, so I can complement. So again, more useful things. I loved the, there you go, the glitter snowflakes. If you know me, you also know I'm all about the snowflakes. And then I got the stickers, sticker book. And I like that these are back to being the thick stickers and not the thin, skinny stickers, the really thin rippable stickers that were in the crate paper collection. So fun to have some alphas. I think I went a little alpha crazy on this one. I always love those edges, the borders, and look, glitter stickers, yay! And then I did get the alphas. So yeah, I probably didn't need both of them, but I did need both of them. So be sure to leave in the comments down below what you would like to see me create with, and we will be sharing those projects in 2 weeks from now. Be sure to head over to Sarah's channel and see what it is that's new in her scrap room and help her decide what she's going to use, although she may already have a plan. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you're doing well. Come back again soon. Take care.